Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Bank of Jamaica says the 4 to 6% inflation target range will be disrupted for the quarter ended June because of agricultural food prices, electricity rates, and high fuel prices. As Jamila Maitland reports, the heat has something to do with it.
Climate change is turning up the heat on inflation, so much so that the central bank believes that the 4 to 6% band for the economy will be broken for the second quarter of the year. Jamaicans are being warned to brace for higher prices for market and other food items.
Over the next couple of months, we expect that inflation could tick up somewhere between 6.5%. But of course, there are always upside risks because we really can't pin down a variable like agricultural prices in the context of weather because it is so volatile. And of course, as you rightly pointed out, and as any farmer will tell you, the heat conditions is also exacerbating the production crisis.
Senior Deputy Governor of the Bank of Jamaica, Wayne Robinson, explains customers of the JPS would also see an increase in their utility bills. Studies have shown that oil prices tend to increase around the summer. Additionally, the country must contend with external issues like the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. And now, the BOJ has added the 2024 Atlantic hurricane season on the list of risks.
These include higher than the projected oil prices and worse than anticipated weather conditions due to the emerging La Nina weather phenomena that could result in a more active 2024 hurricane season.
There is a flip side to all of this, however. Inflation is expected to return to the target range after the end of June. According to BOJ Governor Richard Barnes, it could mean a reduction in interest rates.
In particular, the evolution of wage adjustments, inflation expectations, and core inflation are among important factors that will guide the MPC's decision on policy rate adjustments and other monetary policy actions in the future.
The inflation target of 4 to 6% is to be maintained for the next 3 years. It's part of the monetary policy, which would see the government paying off its debt while keeping the economy stable. Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.
Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $156.86. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.61. $198.70 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $171.96. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,289 points today, while the junior market declined by 48 points. Among the 38 winners, The Lab, Edufocal, Portland JSX, G West Corporation ordinary shares, and JMMB Group 7.25%. The 48 losers include Epley 7.75% preference shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar, AS Bryden and Sons Holdings, and Derrimon Trading Company. 25 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.